Hello, this is Devendra Marana. I am going to teach about tense. Let's pay attention to the topic and grasp the intense core of the tense. Tense plays a vital role in English grammar. Without it, the effort of writing correct English is impossible. Therefore, to write correct English, the thorough knowledge of tense is quite essential. Let's discuss the definition, classification, and various uses of tense. First, we will read about different types of tense and time. Definition of tense. Tense is a verb form. It indicates time. To understand the above definition, we have to take an example. There are four forms of verbs. In is present, second is past, third participle, and the last one is present plus ing. That means ing form of verb. An example may be taken. Went is past, gone is participle, and going is ing form of the verb. Classification. Tense is divided into mainly two types: present tense and past tense. Future time has not been a tense now. Present tense is classified into mainly four categories. They are present simple, present progressive, present perfect, present perfect progressive. Present simple. Present simple tense usually follows the following pattern. The pattern is subject plus verb plus object complement or adjunct. Example: Mr. Mahapatra teaches English in a university. Here Mr. Mahapatra is subject, teaches is verb, English is object, and university is adjunct. What is adjunct? Adjunct is a word that gives extra meaning to the sentence. My father is a doctor. Here my father is subject, is verb, a district welfare officer is complement. We pray to God every evening. Here we refers to subject, pray is verb, to God is complement, every evening is adjunct. I have told about adjunct. NB s or es is added to the verb if the subject is third person singular number. First person singular is I, first person plural is we, second person singular is you, second person plural is you, third person singular is he, she, it, person or thing, and third person plural is they. Use of present simple. Use of present simple. Children play football every afternoon. Aman goes to college regularly. They attend meeting every week. geographical or scientific truth. The earth goes round the sun. The earth is called the water planet. Moon is the only natural satellite of earth. Oil floats on water. General truth. Honey tastes sweet. Truth prevails everywhere. सत्य सबुठारे विजय लाभ करे. Present state. I am a lecturer in a college. He reads in a public high school. All the above sentences expresses present state or present fact. The last use of present simple is present state, permanent state or permanent fact. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. I live in New Delhi. The above two sentences show light on permanent state. This is all. We shall read about present progressive later. For your warm responses, you may ask any queries about tense.